But I think laying the foundation for this is what we have to do to compete at a championship level. Yeah. Like this is why home court matters. This is why you can't have this is why we can't be 11th in the league in defense, right? Like we got to get to at least middle of the pack. You know, all of those different things. And so as a competitor, it's
Stephanie White, the new head coach of the Indiana Fever, recently gave an interview that has sent shockwaves through the basketball world. White's insights about Caitlin Clark, a player she has followed since her middle school days.
It's exciting to coach generational talents, you know, and that outweighs the other stuff that we might have to
reveal a deep admiration and excitement for the generational talent Clark brings to the game. Her words shed light not only on Clark's potential, but also on how the Fever are laying the groundwork to compete at a championship level. Reflecting on what it takes to build a winning team, White emphasized the importance of setting strong foundations.
Do I think it's going to be a seamless transition? No. I mean, it's going to take some time. And just like any young team, I mean, you don't get back-to-back number one picks by being really talented early, right? Just like any young team, it's going to take some time. You know, and we got to put some pieces together and we've got to continue to build. So managing expectations, it's going to...
This is what we have to do to compete at a championship level, she stated. This is why home court matters. This is why we can't be 11th in the league in defense. We've got to get to at least the middle of the pack. White's clear-eyed focus on improving defense and team consistency demonstrates her competitive spirit. As a seasoned coach, she understands that no single player, no matter how talented, can shoulder the weight of success alone.
Watching Caitlin Clark when she was in the 8th grade when I was at Vanderbilt.
How about
and then I called a lot of her games in college when she was at Iowa. And so I've really watched her continue to learn and grow, and I have great relationships with her college coaches and had multiple conversations with them throughout the course of her career about what the next steps would be, right? And what the next level.
White's history with Clark dates back to when Clark was just an 8th grader. Recalling her first encounter, White painted a vivid picture, a packed gym filled with anticipation, and Clark already demonstrating the exceptional skills that would make her a basketball prodigy. At the time, White was coaching at Vanderbilt and later followed Clark's career closely, calling many of her games during her collegiate career at Iowa.
Caitlin isn't just great for women's basketball. She is great for the entire game. She's more than just points.
She absolutely is. I mean, let's not forget, this is a young woman who led the nation in assists as well. She's accomplished records that haven't ever been accomplished in the sport of collegiate basketball.
I've really watched her continue to learn and grow, White said, highlighting the close relationships she maintained with Clark's college coaches to stay updated on her development. What stands out in White's interview is her emphasis on Clark as more than just a scorer. Caitlin isn't just great for women's basketball, she's great for the entire game, White remarked. She's more than just points. Let's not forget this is a young woman who led the nation in assists as well. For White, Clark's ability to break records and redefine what's possible in collegiate basketball goes beyond individual accomplishments. She's a cultural phenomenon. As the Fever look to rebuild, White is keenly aware of the challenges ahead. Do I think it's going to be a seamless transition? No. It's going to take some time, she admitted. You don't get back-to-back number one picks by being really talented early. We got to put some pieces together and continue to build. White's candor reflects her realistic yet optimistic approach, understanding that growth is a process requiring patience and effort. The Fever's roster boasts not just Clark, but also other incredible players like Kelsey Mitchell and Aaliyah Boston. White praised Mitchell as one of the hardest workers she's ever seen and described Boston as another generational talent. The challenge, as White sees it, lies in integrating these pieces into a cohesive unit. Her excitement about the team's potential is infectious, as she envisions a future where these talents elevate one another to new heights. Beyond strategy and performance, White expressed a strong desire to be a resource for Clark. I hope, number one, for Caitlin, that I can be a resource, she shared. Drawing on her own experiences, White acknowledged the amplified pressures today's players face due to social media. Thankfully, we didn't have social media amplifying everything when I played, she noted. Her empathetic approach underscores her commitment to supporting Clark not just as a player, but as a person navigating immense expectations. White's perspective on Clark's journey adds another layer to the story. From her days as a middle school phenom to becoming one of the most accomplished college players, Clark has been on a path of continuous growth. White's long-term observation has provided her with a unique understanding of Clark's game, enabling her to anticipate what's needed for the next stage of her career. "This moment in women's basketball is outstanding," White said, her enthusiasm evident. "I am thankful and grateful to be part of it. Clark's impact on the game is undeniable. Her ability to lead, score, and set up teammates makes her a rare talent, one who transcends traditional boundaries in basketball." For White, coaching someone of Clark's caliber is not just a professional milestone, but a chance to influence the broader narrative of women's basketball. "Caitlin Clark is more than a superstar," White stated. "She's a symbol of what's possible." The Fever's rebuilding process, combined with White's deep knowledge of Clark's abilities, signals a promising future. White's ability to balance high expectations with a measured approach ensures that the team's growth will be sustainable. Her belief in fostering a culture of hard work, accountability, and mutual respect is evident in her remarks. As White looks ahead, her excitement is palpable. She sees not just a team in the Fever, but a movement in women's basketball led by talents like Clark, Mitchell, and Boston. "This is a moment for the game to evolve and reach new audiences," White concluded. Her words serve as a reminder that basketball is about more than wins and losses. It's about inspiring the next generation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In the coming years, the Fever's journey will be one to watch, with White and Clark at the center of a team poised to make history. White's thoughtful approach, combined with her deep understanding of her players, ensures that the Fever are on the right path. And as Clark continues to captivate fans and rewrite records, one thing is clear: the best is yet to come. Stephanie White's journey with Caitlin Clark is more than just a coach-player relationship. It's a connection built on years of mutual respect, admiration, and understanding. White brings a unique perspective to her coaching role, having faced challenges herself and navigating them successfully. She aims to guide Clark not only through the pressures of the professional league, but also to push her to grow beyond her comfort zone. It's evident that White isn't merely focused on Clark's performance. She's invested in the larger picture of building a cohesive, talented team with a bright future. White's insights into Clark go beyond what you'd expect from a typical coach. She's not just excited to coach Clark, she's thrilled about the team they're assembling. Her enthusiasm for the upcoming season is palpable. "I have the advantage of being an opponent," White shared, referring to her previous experience scouting Clark. "This is what we do to make you uncomfortable. This is how we game planned against you." White's direct and honest approach will undoubtedly challenge Clark to elevate her game while fostering a holistic team dynamic. She acknowledges the team's offensive talent and is eager to explore innovative strategies to maximize their potential. "Offense is what I love," White said, emphasizing her passion for crafting creative, high-scoring plays. What sets White apart is her decade-long connection to Clark. This history isn't just a fun anecdote, it's a game-changing advantage. White understands Clark's strengths, weaknesses, and untapped potential in a way few others could. She's witnessed Clark's journey firsthand, from her early days as a budding star to her current status as one of the most promising players in the WNBA. White has seen the work ethic, resilience, and determination that have shaped Clark's career. This deep familiarity gives White a unique edge in coaching Clark, allowing her to build on their shared history to drive success. Reflecting on her past experiences, White recounted a pivotal moment during a staff meeting in Indiana. "We had to scale it back," she said. "We're not going to be able to do all of this in year one or even in training camp. Staying ahead of the curve, watching NBA and EuroLeague games, and thinking about what we can implement is incredibly exciting to me." White's ability to balance ambition with realism is a testament to her strategic mindset. She's not just looking at the immediate future, she's laying the groundwork for long-term success. To truly appreciate White's impact, it's worth rewinding to Clark's college basketball days. White, then an analyst, wasn't just another commentator marveling at Clark's skills. She was analyzing her game on a deeper level, focusing on Clark's court vision, basketball IQ, and ability to elevate her teammates. During one broadcast, White made a striking observation. "I think she reads the game better than other stars." This wasn't just praise for Clark's scoring abilities, it was a recognition of the intangibles that separate good players from great ones. White saw something in Clark that others overlooked, a combination of talent and intellect that would make her a transformative player. Fast forward to Clark's entry into the WNBA, and the hype surrounding her was undeniable. But with that hype came immense pressure. When Clark lost her first 2 WNBA games, critics were quick to pounce. White, however, stood firmly in Clark's corner. She reminded everyone that even the greatest players need time to adapt. "Guys, chill out," she said. "It's 2 games. Are you kidding me? She's a student of the game. She got better every year. You're not going to absorb all this new information in 2 games or 2 weeks. It takes time, and she will. I have no doubt about it." White's unwavering confidence in Clark speaks volumes about her belief in the young star's potential. White's perspective as both a former player and coach adds depth to her coaching philosophy. She's been in the trenches, understands the pressures of the game, and knows what it takes to succeed. This unique background allows her to empathize with Clark's challenges while providing the guidance needed to overcome them. White's approach isn't just about refining Clark's skills, it's about helping her navigate the complexities of being a high-profile athlete in today's world. Clark's impact extends beyond the court. As White pointed out, Caitlin Clark is at the epitome of the intersection of social media, pop culture, and fan engagement in a way we've never seen. She's moving the needle forward for all athletes. This statement underscores Clark's influence as a cultural icon, not just a basketball player. Her ability to connect with fans and inspire the next generation is a testament to her unique place in the sports world. Now, imagine White coaching against Clark in the playoffs. You'd think her focus would be solely on stopping Clark, but even then, White couldn't help but express excitement about the Fever's future with Clark. "It's exciting," she said. "I was born and raised in Indiana, and I have a lot of pride in Indiana basketball and the Fever organization. I'm proud of the growth of the Indiana Fever and excited about their future." White's pride and optimism are infectious, setting the tone for what's to come. When White officially became the Fever's head coach, one of her first calls was to Clark. The excitement in her voice was unmistakable. "I spoke with Caitlin last night, and the overall excitement is just incredible," White shared. This wasn't just a routine call between a coach and a player. It was the beginning of something special. The synergy between White and Clark promises to be a cornerstone of the Fever's future success. Stephanie White's journey with Caitlin Clark is a story of vision, resilience, and shared ambition. It's about more than basketball. It's about building a legacy. With White's strategic mind and Clark's unparalleled talent, the Indiana Fever's future looks brighter than ever. The anticipation is building, and fans can't wait to see what this dynamic duo will achieve together. Stephanie White's approach to coaching isn't just about basketball, it's about building something extraordinary. When she talks about working with players, it's clear her philosophy revolves around maximizing potential. White's coaching style emphasizes genuine conversations, understanding the game, and fostering a deep connection with her players. Whether it's discussing a player's thoughts about their team or basketball in general, White strives to cultivate a collaborative environment that inspires growth. This philosophy has taken center stage with Caitlin Clark, a generational talent poised to elevate the Indiana Fever. White's excitement about Clark is palpable. "This is the moment we've been waiting for," she said, hinting at the significant potential within the Fever's roster. But more than just excitement, her words underscore her confidence in building a legacy. White recognizes she has the pieces needed to create something truly extraordinary. To understand why Clark is such a pivotal player, consider a game between Iowa and Purdue. The atmosphere was electric, with tension filling the air. Purdue's coaching staff had devised a meticulous plan to contain Clark, believing they had the perfect strategy to neutralize her impact. However, what unfolded demonstrated why Clark is anything but ordinary. In a key moment near the end of a quarter or half, Purdue planned to foul Clark before she could release a shot. As Clark brought the ball over to the side of the court near Purdue's bench, her extraordinary court awareness became evident. She overheard Purdue coach Kelly Kumar instructing Jayla Smith to foul her at the right moment. Displaying her trademark basketball IQ and instinct, Clark threw up a wild shot just as the foul occurred. She then turned away without even looking at the basket, and the ball went in. The crowd erupted. While the shot didn't count due to the timing of the foul, the moment encapsulated Clark's brilliance. Her ability to anticipate and react instantly, even in chaotic situations, sets her apart. It was as if Clark had turned a routine defensive tactic into a highlight reel moment, demonstrating why she's considered one of the most dynamic players in the game. Kumar later recounted the experience with a mix of awe and humor. It's a funny way of saying what we all know. Trying to contain Caitlin Clark is like trying to catch lightning in a bottle, she said. Moments like these are what make Clark so special. Her capacity to adapt, combined with her creativity on the court, makes her nearly impossible to guard. You can't do it with one person, Kumar emphasized. It's a whole team effort. This kind of talent is precisely why the Indiana Fever is undergoing a complete transformation. After years of struggling, the team is now assembling a roster and leadership structure designed for sustained success. Central to this effort is Clark, who promises to be the cornerstone of the franchise. The Fever's resurgence isn't just about players, it's also about leadership. They've brought back Kelly Krauskopf as team president, a key figure in the team's 2012 championship run. Krauskopf's return signals a commitment to excellence and a desire to rekindle the team's former glory. Additionally, the Fever recently hired Amber Cox as their new GM and COO. Known for her innovative approach to team building, Cox has a reputation for turning struggling franchises into competitive powerhouses. Together, Krauskopf and Cox are leading a cultural shift within the Fever organization. Their vision aligns perfectly with White's coaching philosophy, building something lasting. They're not just assembling a team, they're creating a system that fosters excellence and development. And with Clark at the center, the Fever is poised to become a dominant force in the WNBA. Clark's ability to redefine what's possible on the court makes her an ideal fit for this new era. She doesn't just play basketball, she changes the game. Her court awareness, ability to make clutch plays, and knack for creating magic out of nothing are qualities that can elevate an entire team. Clark isn't just a player, she's a game changer. Moments like her incredible shot against Purdue are a testament to her greatness. They showcase her ability to perform under pressure and deliver in the most improbable situations. It's the kind of talent that not only inspires teammates but also strikes fear into opponents. As White and the Fever build their new foundation, Clark's presence ensures they're constructing something special. But this transformation goes beyond one player or coach. It's about reshaping the entire organization. With Krauskopf's championship pedigree, Cox's strategic vision, and White's innovative coaching, the Fever is setting a new standard. They're creating an environment where players like Clark can thrive, where potential is maximized, and where winning is a natural byproduct of the culture. The Fever's journey is just beginning, but the pieces are in place for something extraordinary. Clark's talent, combined with a strong leadership team, positions the franchise for long-term success. As the Fever continue to develop their roster and refine their strategies, they're not just looking to win games, they're looking to build a dynasty. In basketball, moments of greatness often come from the unexpected. Clark's improbable shot against Purdue is a microcosm of her impact. It's a reminder that in sports, as in life, the most extraordinary achievements often happen when we least expect them. For the Indiana Fever, Clark represents the future, a future filled with promise, excitement, and the potential to change the game forever.